So you've heard the rumors, right? Tesla's big plan to make a truly affordable electric car. The goal? A $25,000 EV. But what if I told you Elon Musk didn't just deliver on that? Oh no, he obliterated it. Forget $20,000. Forget $25,000. The shocking price Tesla just unveiled is a jaw-dropper. Under $11,795, yeah, you heard me right. Under $12K. And here's the kicker. It's cheaper than owning a MacBook over 5 years. Now let's break this down. How did Tesla pull off slashing over $12,000 from the expected price? Tesla's secret weapon? Gigacasting. Instead of hundreds of small parts, they've got one massive casting for the chassis, cutting production time from 2 hours to just 10 minutes. That's a 65% reduction in labor costs, saving about $3,200 per car. And that's not all. This innovation also means improved safety and structural integrity, so fewer things can go wrong. Inside the Model 2, radical simplicity. No more endless buttons and wires. We're talking one screen, a centralized computer, and a cleaner, cheaper, more reliable design. You'll save over $1,500 just by simplifying everything inside. But Tesla didn't stop there. Model 2 shares 60% of its parts with other Teslas, making repairs cheaper and production more efficient, cutting another $1,900. Then there's the battery tech, nano-cell technology. Tesla's new architecture reduces the size by 75%, boosts energy density by 45%, and cuts battery costs by $3,400, more range, less cost. Tesla even revamped the electrical system with a new 48V low-voltage setup, reducing wiring costs by $1,000. That's one huge chunk of savings right there. And forget dealerships. No hidden fees, no pressure. You order online, track delivery, and keep that filed $800 you would have spent on dealer extras. But here's the real shocker. Model 2 is designed to function like furniture. Yep, I said it. Your car, your living room. Seats fold completely flat. Front seats swivel to face each other, and the center console doubles as a portable table. Here's where it gets wild. Over the next 5 years, the Model 2 might even save you more money than a MacBook. Forget gas. Forget crazy repair costs. And, hey, if you're not using it, just let it drive for you. You could earn up to $2,000 a year by sharing your car on Tesla's autonomous network. So, would you rather spend $6,995 on a MacBook ecosystem that sits on your desk? Or own a car that gets you places, pays you back, and might even become your new home away from home? The choice is yours. Model 2, the future of cars and living, all rolled into one. Hit that subscribe button and bell. Next week, we're dropping my exclusive Model 2 reservation guide. Don't miss out.